Okay, so I've just moisturized my face and I am using this concealer from LA Girl to correct my under eyes. Just a little bit of here and here and on the spots that I have. Not all over my face for sure, just on the places that I want to hide. And that's pretty much it. And I'll take a beauty blender and I'll just blend all of this together. So after I've done my blending, my face looks pretty much covered, and now I'll just put in some foundation. So after concealing, I use foundation and I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible. This is one of my favorite foundation. This is in the shade 120. That's the lightest available in India, but I have to mix another foundation in it to make my shade. So I like mixing it with Huda Beauty in the shade 120 Vanilla. This is the lightest neutral undertone available here in India. So what I do is I mix the two and apply it on my face to match it with my neck. Okay, so I'm taking the two foundations on the back of my hand, half a pump of this and just quarter a pump of this, and I'll mix the two together and I'll start applying. I'll start from the areas where I know I need the most coverage. This is the area that is the problematic area of my face, so I always start from here. And my forehead is pretty much clear, so I use the least amount there. And now I'll blend. Okay, so I've blended my foundation everywhere, and now I'm taking a lighter concealer and I'm taking this Maybelline Age Divine in the shade Ivory for my under eyes. Just a little bit, and I'll be taking this on top of my eyes as well. And again I'll use the same beauty blender, and while I'm blending, whatever product is now on my beauty blender, I'll take the same product on top of my eyes. I'm not taking any extra product for my eyes. I am taking this liquid blush from O2O and I'll just be taking a very light pump. Even this is way more than I need, and I'll use my finger. First I'll warm up this blush and then I'll just place it where I want my blush to be. Now I'm taking this loose powder from Laura Mercier to set my under eyes, and before that I'll just blend my creases if I have any, so that I don't set my creases. So I'll first blend them, and after blending the creases I'll then use my loose powder and I'll slightly bake. And because we aren't doing any eye makeup, so I am baking on top of my eyes as well. Basically I'm just setting the concealer that I applied on top of my eyes. For my contouring, I like to take this Makeup Forever palette, and I am taking a cool tone shade which is for contour. This, it is not a bronzer, and I'm taking this on my angular brush, and I am just applying where I need it. very, very lightly. Then I'll take another brush, and now I'll just blend it. Similarly, I'll do it on this side. So now I don't want to do my eyebrows, so what I prefer is, this is a mascara from L'Oreal. It's called the Lash Paradise, and it's almost over. Okay, don't try this with the new mascara. It's almost over. So I just take this mascara and brush out my eyebrows. It has like nothing left. I'm just brushing out my eyebrows. Now I'm just taking a powder brush and removing the bake, and taking some more powder on my brush and just setting all of my makeup. Now I'm taking this blush. It's a refill. It's from Focallure in the shade Coral, and I'm taking it on a blush brush, removing off the excess and just setting my liquid blush with it. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Now I'm taking my mascara. Okay, so this one's the old one from L'Oreal and this is the new one. So I'm taking the new one now for my lashes. I am in love with this mascara. It does wonders to my lashes. I don't think you can see it. It is doing wonders. And I also like to take some mascara on my lower lashes. I feel it just opens up your eyes a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm taking my highlighter brush. I don't like the fan brushes. I like the dome kind of a brush, and I'm taking my Almost Over Makeup Revolution highlighter. And I think by now all of you know that how much I am in love with this. It is my go-to highlighter. And I'm just taking it on my cheekbones. Bridge of my nose, under my eyebrows, chin, a little bit on the cupid's bow, temples, almost everywhere. No, not everywhere. Okay, so now I'll be doing my lipstick, and that's the last part, almost the last part. And today I am wearing this nude top with a blue jeggings and a blue jacket kind of a thing. So I'll do a nudish peachish lip, and I'm using this Inglot palette. So almost all my lipsticks are from here. This is the Inglot palette. It's a magnetic palette that I've customized. So this is an eyeshadow, the blue one, and this is a concealer, and even this plum shade is the eyeshadow, and rest all are lipsticks. So I'll be using this peach-ish color today, this one. Now this brush that I'm using is from PAC. It's the 336 lip brush, and it's amazing. So I don't line my lips with a lip liner. I prefer lining it with a lip brush and the same lipstick that I'm using. Okay, so lipstick is on, and now I'm just finishing my makeup with my setting spray. I don't leave my house without this. My skin is pretty drying, like a little bit dry from this area, and I just love to use a setting spray.